And you can see it right here as I show you the snow off to the west and still somewhat to the south as well. We widen out. Now, everything is moving to the east, so we still have to go through those additional bands of snow overnight. This scenario was what I was really concerned about. If this had got stuck for a little while in this position, then we would have had a lot of snow in eastern Mass for a lot of hours. But it's not going to really work out that way. The storm is going to move right along. Nonetheless, for a couple of hours tomorrow, 6, 7, 8 in the morning in Boston, it may look pretty bad out there with the wind swirling and forcing the snow to just fly all over the place with the falling temperatures. So keep that in mind. Notice 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. See how it's mostly in eastern Massachusetts where it's been mildest today. That's where you're going to have the snow for a while. But it will move eastward, and the wind will stay with us, though, all day long. So a lot of this has already occurred. Boston, look, I have to draw the line of 3 to 6 for Logan Airport, but 6 to 10 just immediately north and west. Then you build up to 8 to 12, and it's really up around Portland, Maine, where 12 to 20 inches of snow will fall. Look at the type of wind gusts we're talking about, though, during the day tomorrow. So we're concerned because of all of the heavy, wet snow that's fallen. Now you introduce that kind of wind. Notice the wind really starts to ramp up 4 a.m., 7 a.m. Look at those gusts, 40 to 50 miles an hour and greater, and they will be with us pretty much all day for tomorrow. All right, check out the next 7, and there you go. Now, you've heard a lot about another storm that may be happening Wednesday, Thursday. Right now, most indicators would say that that storm would develop a little too far north and a little too far out at sea to bring us too much. But it's still a slight chance that it could intensify within range. So we'll keep an eye on that Wednesday, Thursday. Nice weather for the end of the week. And next weekend looks beautiful with a warming trend, especially on Sunday. I'd like to give you something to look forward to.